Students 1, 2 and 3 perform an experiment for measuring the acceleration due to gravity using a simple pendulum. They use different lengths of the pendulum and record time for different number of oscillations. The observations are shown in the table. So the least count for length is zero point 0.1 centimeter and least count for time is given as 0.1 seconds. Okay. Now there is a table, so that is the data collected, and if E1, E2 and E3 are the percentage errors in G, that is delta G by G into 100 for students 1, 2 and 3 respectively, then E1 is 0, E1 is equal to E2, E1 is minimum and E2 is maximum. Okay, so in normal way we already know the time period of a pendulum, that is T is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G, or I can write G is equal to 4 pi square L by T square, right? Or I can write delta G by G is equal to delta L by L plus 2 into delta T by T. Now I can write for n oscillations, if the time taken is T, I can write n into capital T, that is the time period, is equal to total time taken T, or I can write delta T by T is equal to capital letter delta T by T. Okay, so using these relations I can find delta G by G for E1, E2 and E3, but there is a trick. You don't need to find all these things. So look which student is having the maximum number of measurements. Okay, so you can see that the number of oscillations or the number of measurements taken is 8 for student 1. Okay, number of oscillations is 8. Okay, so that means that he will have the minimum error in G. He will have the minimum error in G. So even if you calculate, you will get that E1 student is having the minimum error in G. Okay, so that's it. You don't have to do the numericals. So just find out which one of the student has done more trials. Okay, so student 1 has done more trials, that means his value is more accurate, that means the error is comparatively less, so E1 is minimum, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, yeah, so one more thing, that this question is for only a single correct answer. If it is a multiple select question, you have to check each one of the options, then you have to calculate E1, E2 and E3. But if it is a single correct question, then you can stick with what I have just said. So option B is the correct answer. So hope you understood the solution. Thank you.